The Figure 4 Pro-BLK 10 material offers a unique combination of high-speed printing, mechanical strength, and environmental stability. A game changer for when you need toolless production of precise plastic parts fast. Printing on the Figure 4 family of 3D printers at a high speed of 60 millimeters per hour, parts feature exceptional surface smoothness and true-to-CAD dimensional accuracy. With a heat deflection temperature of 70 degrees C out of the printer and industry-leading long-term UV stability, Pro-BLK 10 is suitable for functional automotive, consumer goods, and consumer electronic parts, including motor housings, connectors, covers, and more. It also delivers the industry's fastest parts in hand, using only a single cycle of standard IPA for cleaning and no need for secondary thermal curing.